Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to link a story to task in Jira. First, go to the project that contains your story. Now, go to Board. After that, go to your stories. Then choose the story where you want to link a task to. Click on it. On the right panel, click on Add. Then select Link Work Item. Here, you need to choose on a category based on the task that you want to link. Now you can select for work items, select the task that you want to link, click on it, then click link. Now your task is linked to your story. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.